Oh, it's really sensitive. Morning guys, welcome to Cymru Under the Hood again. Just another day fixing cars. That's what we got in this morning. We got a 1998 Porsche Carrera 4S, sorry. And this is the last year of the air cooled. This is a European import. Customer has looked at this a couple of times before. I've got it in today, so I thought I'd show you a quick little video. We're going to try and fix the horn on this. The horn goes off periodically by itself, so you turn the wheel and meep, meep, meep. So we'll jump into this and see if we can get this fixed. All right, let's turn the key on. Let's see what happens here. It's not doing it right now, but oh, it's really sensitive. It's like when he's driving, I think the vibration of, you can see that barely touching that, and it wants to go off. So we're gonna have to take this airbag off. Okay, so there we go. Got the other side done. Do this one, spin it, and then to the point where the airbag, there we go. So now it's off. We're gonna disconnect this little plug here. Careful not to break it. And then we're gonna set this airbag somewhere safe out of the way for right now. So we'll just set it over here. Safety first. Okay, now we're back in here. So we're gonna be replacing this because these little grommets in here are what go bad. So I've got this whole assembly, and again, like usual, I'll drop the link below in the comments so you can get this exact same one, and then we'll get this replaced here. We'll get these 4 bolts out of here, we'll get this replaced, and then all hooked back up. So let's get this horn wire disconnected right here. There's that done. And then these look like about a 7. Let me start. Okay, so here we go. So it's actually a 19. Oh, it looks like they're not an Allen, they're actually looks like a T30 in there. So, okay, we'll readdress that here in a minute. Okay, so let's put that there for now. And then got another one here. So there's the part number off of this one. Like I said, I'll drop a link below so you guys can get this online. And yeah, let's get this one in, and then we'll check it all out after we got this in, take it for a test drive, make sure that the horn doesn't randomly go off by itself, just to verify that it's not possibly the clock spring that's got an issue. Grommets are usually the problem, so we'll check this, we'll try this. This is our fix first, so alright. On off as we're driving it. Customer was saying that it was doing that when turning the wheel and stuff, so we want to make sure after fixing this that that's not going to happen. So who doesn't want to go and take a Porsche for a test drive, huh? Okay. Well, so far so good. We definitely don't have any beep beep beep, and when he came to the shop this morning, definitely announced himself as he was just driving down this road. Was enough for the horn to beep a bunch. So we'll just take it for a little ride here. We'll try and hit some corners and bends just to make sure that that it won't go off. And this is good because it's a nice rattly road too. And then we'll go up the road here and then see how she behaves. So far so good. So we got the first bend coming up here. So let's go around this corner and see if we get any beep beeps. Alright, no beep beep right now. And then I'm gonna wait till we get round off of the top of the hill here before I press the horn a couple of times just to verify that it'll sound and then not come back on again. And plus, who doesn't want to go for a drive? Hey, isn't this kind of nice? Alright, here we go. I'm gonna do too crazy today. They've recently re-graveled our roads, so still a lot of loose rocks, stone chips. But we'll just go down the road here a little bit. We'll do a couple of turns. So far so good. Press it and it comes back off. It hasn't gone off yet. A little shake of the steering wheel, all good. A 6-speed transmission. Not that we're going to use that on Lopez. I mean, sheesh. Be lucky if you get it into 3rd gear. Something like this. So yeah, we'll take this turning now, and then that way we can verify if it goes around turn signals on and slow, you know, just making sure. Yeah, see, so far so good. No horn going off. I think we're golden. So that new piece there seems to work good. Yeah, I mean, this is a really clean car too. I mean, I know the enthusiasts love them. Last of the air cooled. It is a pretty looking car. I do like to see it when it comes in, and it's nice to get to work on something a little different every now and again. It's definitely not every day you get to work on a Porsche like this. So, also have to be very careful. It's not exactly a cheap Porsche these days. This is definitely an enthusiast car, and they're worth a lot of money, so you gotta really take it easy. Okay, this is the other option if you don't want to buy that part. What I'm seeing online is a bunch of guys, they're silicone and a little few O-rings, one in these little spots here, which makes the little grommet there a little, you know, stronger for when this is pressing down. So that is the other option. If you don't want to buy that part, is putting these little grommets, little O-rings in here with a little bit of silicone to help them stay in there, so when it's in they don't drop out or fall out when you're trying to get it in there. So that's the other option you can do too.